Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The black kitty is going after the car. Now Hadi can drive it around, right? But I think with the LCD is much better. Move slowly. Oh, pussycat, pussycat, I'm coming, pussycat. The firefly Hawkeye, she was punching it. Iris is actually doing a very nice driving. Go out of the room. Oh, my kitty is on it. My kitty is on it. And let's just chase her. So we are driving the Emax FPV car and trying to see what kitties will do. Oh, kitty's chasing it. I'm having fun with it. Oh, I hit something. Hold on. That was a wall, right? Where's kitty? Where's kitty? Oh, there she is. Run, kitty. Run, pussycat. Oh, pussycat, run. Okay, stop here. Wait for it. Move slowly. She got it. Oh, Hadi's shoes is there. Let's see if she will come or not. Oh, stupid Hadi! Why are you blocking our car? Ah, kitty's running. Okay, we come here. Go. Where's the white kitty? Oh, she's got the white kitty went inside here. Wait, okay, here you go. Good job, Hadi. Very good. Now you can get what?
Oreo.
No, Oreo. No. Go. Iris is actually doing a very nice driving. There are two kitties. Boing. Iris is driving the car and we are using, yes, we are using the Little Pilot Flight Master Plus with DVR. And let me see, is it also recording? Yeah, it's the DVR is also recording. So this one is good, right? You like it? Little DVR to drive RC car. It's better than the how to say, the video goggles. Irish have not flown. I remember Irish have driven this car with the video goggles. See, now they are playing very well, right? Now you can have more fun, Hadi, right? I think they will catch and take your car away.
She caught it.
Yeah, just now the black one, she caught it. But I think with the LCD is much better and easier because you don't have to have those stupid heavy goggles on your head. And the resolution was not very good in those goggles either compared to this Little Pilot, you know, Flight Master Plus DVR, recorder LCD screen. See the little kitties. I will go chase the kitties. Hold on. The kitty is just following the car around. Uh-oh, you hit my foot. Keep going. She loves it. The black kitty is going after the car. And we shouldn't go there, right? Because otherwise car will not be able to. Oh, there's black kitty. Run, baby. Oh, pussycat, I'm coming, pussycat. Run. Now they are not scared, right? Before they were so scared when they were kittens. Yeah, Kitty is right in front of you. Go forward. She's jumping. And Mr. Huddy is right here having fun with his FPV car. Check this out. The Firefly Hawkeye. She was punching it, right? The Firefly Hawkeye little master, little pilot, flight master plus with DVR. And wait, don't wait. Oh, wait. And we have the FPV feed on our flight master, little pilot, and driver is Huddy. Go forward. Go out of the room. Oh. Now Huddy can drive it around, right? Awesome. See if you can find some kitties. Keep going. I'll find the kitties there. she already take it. Hold on. Go straight. See, now they will fight for it. Come back. Slow down. If you found your car is moving unexpectedly, this means they have caught the string behind
That's
it.
not my cat cut it.
This FPV car is a lot of fun. We have been driving it before with the FPV goggles, but kids kind of didn't like that because it was bulky, heavy. They love this little pilot, Flight Master. Plus with DVR, we can even record our car driving FPV videos and stuff. And you can see that actually reception is very nice. I mean, even behind the walls, we go to different rooms, you know, the reception is very, very good. So, enjoy driving and have fun. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.